Now, the last first aid kit that we have is this one from My Medic, and this is the Sidekick first aid kit. But with this one, you do have a front strap, and then you also have a back strap as well. But this is probably the smallest first aid kit on our list. And what I appreciate about them also is that they have a really nice way of kind of informing you of what different things are for us again. So this one here is for minor burns. This one here is for, let's see, you got gloves over there. You got hydration mod, a mini topical mod, a blister mod. And I do believe, I thought there was a guide, but I don't think there is a guide inside of here. So if you know what you're doing, I'd say that this would function perfectly fine. But again, if you're someone like me who, let's say I had to pull out a first aid kit for the very first time, it'd be a bit difficult for me to understand what I'm supposed to do with all of these materials and such without learning it prior first. But I'd say it has all the essentials though. I mean, you have a mini topical over there. Let's see what else. But it's pretty small though. I mean, if you appreciate something that's lightweight and if you appreciate something that is on the smaller end, this would definitely be a good first aid kit to check out.